Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be cleaning and undecorating. It is actually 5 o'clock on Easter Sunday and my family just left. It was just small. My sister and my parents were here, so we finished eating and dessert and all of that, and everyone has now gone home, which is so sad. I feel like we wait for these holidays for so long and they just happen and fly by so fast. And it was sad because normally we go to my aunt's. We have a very large family, so usually we go to my aunt's house and we do an Easter egg hunt and all get together, but this is the second Easter, unfortunately, that we have not been able to do it because of COVID. But I was very glad because at least I got to see my parents and my sister and her family. So with that said, we are going to be cleaning all of this. I've already done a lot of the cleaning, but I have to wash the big pots and the crock pot. And out here, there's still a bunch of stuff. The sangria pitcher. I need to like tidy the bathroom. I always do that anytime someone's over. I just take, you know, Lysol wipes and clean everything. And we are also gonna take down the Easter decorations because I'm over it. And there's only a few, so I figured we will do all of that in this video. But I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you like cleaning, motherhood, minimalist videos, that is what I do here on this channel. Lots of like cooking and cleaning and all of that good stuff, and I am on a minimalist journey as we speak, so just kind of going room by room, taking it step by step and trying to live with less. So if that is something you guys are interested in, I would really love if you would hit subscribe and stick around. But let's get cleaning. So the first thing I am doing is just getting like my crock pot washed out. I have a big stock pot, also a couple of wine glasses. I made some sangria, so I'm just getting all of that cleaned out and those put away. And then I am going to clean out my pitcher that I had the sangria in. What I do to really like clean that out, I wash the whole thing out and then I fill it above like the little spout and fill it with water and let it just drain with all the soapy water in there, just to make sure that inside the little spout it gets all clean. But now we are just getting all of these dishes taken care of first, so that way I can clean everything else up. The counters, they're a little bit sticky from the ham and everything else. So that will be the first thing that I'd like to tackle, just so I don't have a sink full of dishes, and I also start the dishwasher as well.
I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
So now that all of the counters are wiped down, I am just going to clear everything off the dining room table. There was still like the cookies and candy bowls and all of that good stuff. So I am also going to shake out this tablecloth. My parents and my sister and I sat at it, but no one really like got it dirty. So I know my daughter's gonna do schoolwork and stuff here in the morning, so I am just leaving it on for one more day because there was literally nothing on it. No one spilt anything. It was still nice and clean. So I'm just gonna go shake it out outside and then put it back on the table.
We used to be the team people talk about, what a chemistry. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way I stutter my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse, no.
So I am just going to do the undecorating now and just take the very few items that I had down, that little bunny sign, and then that egg garland and the few little bunnies that were on my fireplace. But that is it. I had very little decor up, and I like how easy it was to take down and obviously to set up. So I'm just kind of wiping everything down where the garland was from the glitter and all of that, and getting everything nice and cleaned off. I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of here. I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances. So now that all of the vacuuming is done, I am just going to tidy up the bathroom. Every time I have guests over, I always like to just do a quick wipe down of all of the surfaces, and I'm sure at this point there was some toothpaste on the counter from my children, because there always is, but I'm just going to wipe everything down with a quick Lysol wipe and clean the toilet.
Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second
just going to mop the floors in the kitchen and also the bathroom, just because, like I said, there was guests here, and we always take off our shoes, and I've got some questions about people asking me if I wear shoes in the house, but these are like inside shoes. They're like a Skechers sneaker that are supposed to be really good for your feet, because I'm constantly on my feet and I don't like to wear shoes in the house. So these are like my house shoes, but I am just going to get everything wiped down, all these floors nice and clean, and like I said, also the bathroom, just because we had guests over.
Second chances and nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love, 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 the things I love. Be one of the things I love.
Now, the last chore that I am going to do, I'm just gathering all of our cloth napkins and the other tablecloth from the kids' table, and also just all of the kids' clothes from the day, and also my clothes, and getting that load started. And I also had a load of laundry from the day before that I did not get around to because it was just a busy day with going to church and Easter and having guests over and all of that. So, and also lots of towels and all of that because I did lots of cooking. So we are going to get this laundry started and then fold the next load of laundry. The laundry is done, the house is clean, the Easter decorations are down. We are finally done. It is 8 o'clock. So I had to take care of the kids. They showered and we read books and put them to bed and did all of that. But I am finally done, and I am going to go wash up, take a shower, and go to bed. I'm so tired. The kids got up at like super early, at like 6 a.m. We did the Easter egg hunt, we did Easter baskets, we went to church, I came home and cooked Easter dinner and then hosted my family and everything. It was an awesome day. We missed my poor husband who had to work a double all day, but you know, we can't have him every holiday. That's unfortunately what comes with being a first responder, but we missed him, but we got to spend the day with him yesterday. So we enjoy the time that we have and don't take any of it for granted. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you consider subscribing. Let me know in the comments below if you guys had a nice Easter, if you did anything special or any of that. I would love to hear. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!